Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you clean freaks out there. The O-Cedar Easy Ring Microfiber Spin Mop, often touted as the best mop for hardwood floors. Now, before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our reviews on fantastic products like this one. Let's get right into it. The O-Cedar Easy Ring Microfiber Spin Mop is a game changer for anyone looking to keep their hardwood floors spotless. Here's why it stands out. First and foremost, this mop comes with a built-in wringer that allows for hands-free wringing. Say goodbye to messy hands and hello to convenience. Plus, the splash guard keeps water where it should be, inside the bucket. The Easy Ring Microfiber Mop Head is machine washable and reusable. No more buying disposable mop heads. Just toss it in the washing machine, and you're good to go. We recommend changing it every 3 months for optimal cleaning. Now, here's the real magic. This mop uses advanced microfiber technology to capture dirt and grime with plain water. No need for harsh chemicals that can damage your hardwood floors. It's safe for all hard flooring types, including wood, laminate, tile, and vinyl. Thanks to its patented triangle mop head and 360-degree rotation, the Easy Ring Mop can reach and clean even the trickiest spots, corners, under furniture, alongside baseboards, and between tiles. Each Easy Ring microfiber refill lasts up to 3 months. This means you save both time and money with longer-lasting mop head replacements. With a telescopic handle that extends up to 48 inches, anyone can mop comfortably without bending over. It's designed for ease of use. But here's the real kicker. This streak-free microfiber mop easily attracts and locks in dirt, dust, pet hair, grime, and even those dried-on or sticky messes. It outperforms traditional cotton wet mops any day of the week. You can use it wet or dry for mopping or dusting, making it a versatile cleaning tool. Just remember, don't wash it with fabric softeners or bleach. It also removes over 99% of bacteria with water alone, making it a hygienic choice. Now, let's talk customer reviews. With a whopping 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 158,000 ratings, it's no wonder this mop is a fan favorite. Customers praise its versatility, quality of materials, and ease of use. And the best part? Just check the link in the description below for the latest deals. So, there you have it, folks. The O-Cedar Easy Ring Microfiber Spin Mop, the best mop for hardwood floors. If you want a convenient, effective, and streak-free way to keep your floors clean, this is the mop for you. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you found this review helpful, and leave your comments down below. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll catch you in the next one.